So I was talking about service. So we have the node port. So when we want to reach it on the node itself, we know we have different nodes here. Like we have 3 different worker nodes. So if you want to interact with this node, we have its own IP. This we have its own IP. Like if you want to reach out to anything in this node, is reach out through that IP. And you reach out to this one through what? The IP. That's node port service. I'm just giving an explanation. This is in our system. So the load balancer, you can see here, this is the user. You want to reach this one on this each of the node. But, so when it comes to load balancer, they are not reaching it on the node, but they have a intermediate service. So they reach that service, and that service will direct the traffic to where it should go. Here, that means the user must know which node they are using. Then they will reach that node on this IP. But in terms of load balancer, this user will so if you see this user, they have 2 IP here. So they will shall reach this node with this IP, and then from there we reach the pod here, or reach it with this second one and reach the pod here. But in this case, they have just one IP. So this IP is the once they go from this IP, there is this service here. Once this service accepts their request, it's going to send it to the node that should give them the response. Maybe it's this node or this node. The user doesn't have to worry about that. They just need to reach it on this IP, and this IP we get here and split it. Either it should go here or here. You will get the response there. So external name is when you customize it, just like load balancer, you customize it in what you want to do. That's how that's what does you get my explanation. Do you all understand? Or you want me to go over it again?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So that's just a brief about it, how it works, what's it called, the architecture and everything about it. So if you have questions, we can still, talk about it. So let me quickly go to infrastructure as a code, just a brief explanation on it. When we are talking about infrastructure, how many of us is now on infrastructure as a code? Anybody? Has anybody got into infrastructure as a course? As an infrastructure, oh, sorry, infrastructure as a code. Okay, nobody. Should I just give it? So let me just give just not yet. Okay, infrastructure is a code is when you want to build your infrastructure, or you are writing a code to build it. Just like I want to build a house, then I write code. Then once I push the code, you build the house. So it's just like a layman explanation like that. But maybe we can go over that next week. So that will give me time to get there before we proceed. Does anybody has any question? So just so you know, the attendance has been posted on the chat.